Welcome back, everybody, to another video on Pigweed Farms. Today we have an action-packed Saturday. So we're about to feed up the rest of the animals this morning and feed up the other little chicks, the cows, the big chickens, and Bruce and Josephine, and then we're going to touch a truck.
Are you gonna tell them what's special about this one?
I turned 26 today, so it's my birthday. So we're gonna take the boys out and have a fun-filled day, hopefully.
Hopefully.
We need some naps. We're gonna do nap time. I'm gonna grab some feed and we'll go feed.
All right.
You ready? I'll do a little more.
No wonder they're out there screaming.
Everything's screaming. Everybody wants feed this morning. Everybody wants to be fed. You're gonna feed the little ones. So this is tick and tack.
Tick and tack?
Yeah, tick tack.
All right.
One ticks, one tacks. Y'all used to me coming out here and feeding early in the morning. Y'all didn't get fed that early this morning.
You didn't want to go with Tweedledee and Tweedledum?
No. Tick and tack.
Very original. I'm a fan.
They both get 2.5 cups of feed every morning. And they're nice as can be. You can sit here and pat on them. It's exactly what you want when you're trying to sell them for beef. I mean, they don't care. I could probably get in the pen with them. They're way nicer than this guy right here. You see this guy with horns? This is the reason I don't have horns in any of my herds. Because he's a pain to deal with. Hey, quit. You done broke the panel once.
That's what I want our driveway to look like someday.
You ain't lying.
I want it to feel this cool all the time, too.
So guys, we just pulled up at our local landmark park, and it had, back in the day they moved a bunch of these old buildings here. Because from what I've understood, none of these buildings were here originally. They
historic landmarks.
Yeah, they moved historic landmarks.
That's how it got its name.
Here. So they got a bunch of old buildings. Most of the buildings you can go in and look inside. They got an old store, general store. They still serve ice cream out of and drinks and all the above. But they do a bunch of
Look at that old truck.
they do a bunch of events here. So they had a farm. They do a farm day every year or twice a year, and then they have touch a truck out here. A bunch of businesses bring their trucks out. Let the kids jump all over them.
Rodeo.
They're gonna have a rodeo.
That's what I need to do today.
Year.
They're selling the rodeo tickets, and they're cheaper if you buy them today. Here.
Yeah, we can go ahead and get the rodeo tickets.
I need to buy rodeo tickets.
So that's where the arena's gonna be. They got it dug up.
Nice. I'm excited for that. It's gonna be our first big date in a long time.
Yeah, I'm taking my wife to the rodeo. We're gonna film it
I thought I was taking you to the rodeo.
Well, we're taking each other.
So we're using your money to buy the tickets.
No, I ain't got no money.
Then I'm taking you to the rodeo. Tell you, what's Dad doing? Are you getting fitted for a camera, boy? Well, Daddy Brooks is a little insistent on helping, so you may have to hold this camera if you want good footage. All right, Tate, you ready? Come on, bub. Hand. I see that. Good, how are you? Good. Where all the big trucks are. Okay, go.
Are you gonna go find Pops?
Okay, look, there's another one over there. Come on. Come on.
Say thank you. Want to get up in there?
Yeah. You ready? Big step. Oh.
There you go.
Ready again?
You want to fly? No, we're not flying.
Hey, don't hit too many buttons.
All right, let's go. I'll hold your hand. You want to go back on my shoulders?
No. Take.
Hey, thank you.
Hey,
Give him
Bubba.
knuckles. Hey, give him knuckles.
Hey,
Tate,
look
can you
at
show
Mama
Mama
smile.
smile?
Blow it up. There you go.
No, it's just all business.
No, definitely.
Dude, I'm ready for takeoff. I can't smile.
Hey,
All right, dude.
we
We gotta let the next person play. Let's find another one. You say thanks?
You will.
Come on. Come on. Oh, hey, they got a working dog.
No.
Yeah, they got a working dog. He's a police officer. Yeah, he's a police.
Hello? Hello? There you go.
Mama's looking for pops. Oh, Tate, I see a school bus. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright, you're going good again. What's up, buddy?
Wow.
What are you doing? You want to get up in here? Come on. Come here. You want to get up in there?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that thing. Don't mess with that, okay?
Okay.
You having fun? Here, hold. Come on. You done?
Yeah.
There you go.
Uh,
You know Watson over there. You go on the other side to see Watson. Come here. Look, let's go this way. What's up, Bruce?
money.
Come here, bud. What's up, buddy?
Hi.
Stand right here.
What are they doing?
You want to get in there and see the truck? Y'all see the truck?
Oh. Okay.
Or are you gonna get in there?
Let's let brother in. Yeah, we gotta go to the other side. What are you doing, Tay? Come here.
Look at that.
Big tire.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, Sam.
Hi, Brooke.
Look, they had a truck at the yard a while ago. Look at the door right there. They usually the one that comes. They probably the one that went and got everybody yesterday. Let's go back to the other side. Then Pops will let you get back in. Come on. Here, come on. You'll get on this one too.
Alright, we gotta give other people turns. You want to take a look at the school bus, Daddy?
Yeah, we can. You feel good?
Alright, love you, buddy. Sit down.
So tall you can walk under. Hey,
You gotta wait sure you can go get on that one.
here, let's go get on this one over here.
Ask Daddy to tell you about this shoulder.
Yeah, it's got 120.
For a tractor.
Go. Hold on. You stuck.
His camera footage going. Alright, Daddy, put him in the bunny seat.
Alright, get up there. Hold on. Get up here. It doesn't latch. But we can make it work. Hey boys, look. Look at Mom. Smile, say cheese. Hey, Teddy.
I'm a serious worker. I don't smile.
Hey, don't mess with that.
He's determined to make the thing go.
I will explain it all. Come on.
Get on the bus.
Gotta go to school, come on.
Come on. Hey, bud. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, let's start.
Whoa.
I will explain it all. Come on.
These big school buses are working on it every day at work.
Trying to keep the necks and the slides out.
Look out the window. Hey, what do you think, Tate? You ready to go to school?
All right, those of you who are on here that asked about what's going on with the seats, I transport infant, or as you would think, a pre-K. And the kids know how to buckle their seatbelts down and get on, get off. I usually ride with an aide. There's an aide that rides on the bus with me to assist them if they need help.
He takes little kids like you to school.
I'm just trying to keep the bus cool.
Come on, guys.
Hold on, hold on. I'm sorry. Are you ready?
Yeah. Seatbelts, he takes free time.
All right, watch out, you got one behind you.
That one's not ready.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Yours rolling?
All right.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's
got
all. You already having fun?
Alright, boys. You ready to go to the next one? Yeah? Hey, do you want to sip a drink really quickly before we go? Do you want to sip a drink before we go? Okay. Do you want to before we go?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Oh, yeah.
1 step,
Go.
2 step,
Go.
say thanks.
All right. Hey, y'all, welcome to come back.
Okay, yeah, he close the door so that he's got to close the door. Climb. Alright, you gonna drive?
Yeah.
All right.
Come.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you watch it, dude.
Yeah.
Watch it. We're not hitting the brakes, buddy. Okay. Drive. Whoa.
Ready to get down?
Yeah, I know. It's a hazard to let you on because you know how to work everything. Okay, come on. We gotta go to the next one.
Oh, man, look at that GoPro.
Austin.
Okay.
Watch out. All right. They're taking a picture. You gotta wait your turn. You gotta wait your turn. They're having a fun time up there. We don't want to rush them. What, Chet, you got it? Here, you want to come look at those big wheels? Come check them. Yeah, check it. See if it's got air in it. Can you check it? Oh, yeah, it's a good one. It's got air in it.
Hold on, bud.
Oh.
Let me gotta wait.
Wait for those kids to get down. We can't take their turn, okay?
My dog.
Yeah, wait for them to get down.
You decided to be our learner man, huh?
Yeah, I love to drive everything.
You hold up the handles when you fly.
Okay, watch. You gotta climb like a big workout, okay? Ready? You hold this one? You hold this one. Step.
No.
Really big step.
Do.
Okay. Now you hold this one. You hold that one. Super big step. Oh. You got it.
Do.
Up there. Hey, dude. We're not turning it on, buddy. We're pretending to be a work dude. We're not actually a work dude. You go, Tate. You gonna drive? Go, Bubba. Steer it. Not the buttons on the floor, Bubby. All right. Touch that. Nope, we've already been in that one. We gotta look at a different one. Nope, you already got in that one. Let's go to a different one. Come on, go around. Nope, that's not ours, buddy. Come on this way. Let's find another one. We can get on this one. Oh, you want to go look at a book? You need a water? Here you go, come on.
Don't match too many buttons. We gotta drive this thing back.
Well, that had to be
What you think? Hey, don't mash too many buttons.
Whoa.
You see Pops over there? Knock on the window. Say, Pops! No, don't mess with that. That's the parking brake. No, don't mess with those either.
Mommy.
Here, come this way. I'll get you down. Come on. Come on. Jump.
Sure.
Jump.
What's up, buddy? Well, you have to go get back in the school bus. The AC ran.
You gonna make everybody nauseous. When they're running and everything going like this. I love you so much. I'm glad you hung out with me yesterday. Did his fever go down? It almost felt like he had a slight one coming back on. That's why we gave him Tylenol.
I think that he's just real congested. Because his little eyes and things like and his nose is running.
But like yesterday, he fell asleep on me sitting on the couch. So his so this side right here felt like really warm. You know, so I didn't know if he was starting to run a fever. Then I'd feel his belly and it wouldn't feel near as warm.
Yeah, he gets so hot when he sleeps.
That's why we call Sia. Look at Watson.
He said he's about to leave you with it. He's gonna.
There he is.